Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we are going to talk about how to handle newer versions of Python. So alright, let's just go ahead and get into it. So throughout this time on my YouTube channel, I've only utilized two versions of, well, that's not what I wanted to do, two versions of Python. It was Python 3.6.2 and then 0.6. So I actually got a comment last time, a few weeks ago, that started to stir this, and then it really came to be about when I was getting some notes around for our topic of async. So I realized that around 3.8, Python 3.8, async became a key word. And I was concentrating on tutoring and things like that, so I completely missed any of the upgrades that might have changed. So we're going to look at more of these things, and these are the things that, here we are. We're at python.org downloads for you to know where we are. So, and then down here, the latest, there were 3 versions released back in December 18 of 2019, last decade. So there's 3.6.10, 3.7.6, and 3.8.1. So if you're new here, we're just going to go and just download 3.8.1. And I've done a couple of these, but we'll just go through it again. And so you can kind of just follow along, because that was one of the things that I learned on the community tab, was that there are a much more majority of people here 6 months and under. So this may be a good time, because then also what we're going to do is we're going to run into things very soon when we start importing other libraries, that there can be some challenges when you have more than one version of Python. So we're not going to delete the other versions, because we want those on there so we can add to these skills. So alright, let's click down on the tab button down below, and here we go, and we are going to add this to path. But if you end up not, guess what? There is a video for that. And here we are, just finishing up the download process and the installation process. So what I was alluding to earlier is that the Python community is constantly updating, and right now I'll also talk on it. You may have seen or heard, actually let's look right back here, looking for Python 2.7. So in April of 2020, Python 2 will be retiring, and the Python community will just be focused on Python 3. There are rumors out there, but I don't speak in rumor world. So this is almost done. And as you can see right there, that is a TK module going through. But there are tremendous amounts of work being done in the Python community. As you can see, we simultaneously 3.6, 3.7, and 3.8 were updated at all times. And this is also, I mean, you can go in and look at the releases for everything that was updated and changed. I mean, 3.1 final, the core built-ins, any security patches, the libraries. These are all the things that were checked, tested, and built upon. This is what I love about the Python community. It is open, truly, truly open in everything that they are doing. And you can constantly, I mean, you can even, the bug reports. I mean, you can go in and begin, here we go, close. You can go in and find bugs and report them and be a part of the community, or just join and donate and support. I highly recommend you donate. I've been donating for the past 5 years. If you use it, you're learning, just think about it. I implore you and ask you to think of it. So okay, here we are. It's done. All right, so here we are. Apps Python 3.8 and Python 3.8 idle, and I'll show you where it lives. But here we are, and well, let me just show you. So there's that, and then you can see our main folder sitting there, but then also you can get to it to save your file location. So it's user, app data, Windows, start bar, programs, and then you can just make a copy, send to your desktop, and there. And we will be utilizing 3.8 going forward, because one of the comments that I got, and I haven't tested it, but that is, and we got a new, so I'll need to name a new script because we changed over. But yes, so when we are going to be doing a little bit of foreshadowing with async, that it is not the way that I learned it, so it will be a little bit more simple because it is now just a keyword. So we'll be going forward, and we'll be sticking more on top of the upgrades, and we're going to have problems now that we have multiple versions on our computer. So we'll deal with that as they come along. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us. Make sure you're checking out this video right here or this video right here, because I want this to be your one-stop shop. If by chance that there's a video that you haven't seen that you're interested in seeing, make sure you're dropping it down in the comments below, and I'll get right to it. Thanks guys, and hope to see you next time.